Hey Marie, thanks for letting me send this video over to you. And my name is Matt. I'm from Search Strategy Marketing. We've been in business since 2009. The point of this video is to show you how you can come up higher in search, outrank your competitors, get some of the traffic that's going to them. I would love to see that for you. 3 ways that you can do that is content, backlinks, and citations. I'll tell you all about that, and then I'll kind of talk about what it means to have that opportunity of taking these steps. What comes from taking these steps. First and foremost, I did a quick search, landscape design, Santa Barbara. I did see that these guys came up first. I was going to do some other competitors too, but I'm just going to stick to this one here. This is Montecito Landscape. You probably know them. They and we'll compare your site to theirs. So the first thing I want to mention is that it's a really pretty site. A couple things. This landscape design experts, this kind of talks more of in a national keyword term, and a keyword is just something that somebody's searching for in Google for a product or a service. If somebody's in Santa Barbara and they're looking for a landscape designer, they probably type in landscape design Santa Barbara. That's what you'd want this first title tag to be, something like that, where there's high search volume and you can tell Google this is what my site is about. The other thing too, as we move down here, I would love to see a call to action button, a click to call, or just to fill out a form, something like that would be great. And then when I was talking about content is a really good way to, if you add 1,500 words or 2,000 words, there's a lot of room in there to weave in other keywords that are pertinent to your business, maybe some of the surrounding areas. There's a lot that you can do to when you have content and talk about your services. So I'd like you to see more content on your page. All right, so let's see here. Now, Montecito Landscape, they don't do that. They don't have a whole lot of content on their page, but they do have a lot of imagery, and I'm sure that these pictures are labeled. But where they win are on the backlinks, and that's what I really want to talk about. So a backlink is anywhere that you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. So these links act like an endorsement of your website from others. Google uses that to build trust in your business. They see others are vouching for you. It's pretty much a popularity contest where the person with the most backlinks wins. The ones coming that have the most people pointing to them, that's who's going to win typically. It is important to recognize that not all backlinks are created equal. Some of them are, if they're not local or relevant, they're not going to be worth a whole lot. All right, so let me just give you a lay of the land here. This is a tool I use called SEMrush. It's a diagnostic tool. It's telling me that you have an authority score of 12 out of 100, and that you have 39 total backlinks from 22 different domains, different websites. Okay, and you've got 68 organic searches a month. The majority here is coming from Arroyo Seco Construction or Arroyo Seco. People are coming to you through there too. So that's where your traffic's coming from. It's not from anything Santa Barbara related, which it really should be. When I look at Montecito Landscape, we see that they have an authority score of 27, 371 backlinks, 148 referring domains, and 68 organic searches a month, but it's not branded like yours are. It's really for these keywords: landscape design Santa Barbara landscape, Santa Barbara landscape design. And there's more keywords available that you can focus on, but this is really a good spot, I think, that you could focus in on for your website. The other thing is you can copy the backlinks that they have. You get the same ones on your site. These tools will let you see them, and then you just go after the same ones, and then you can get other ones as well, and that'll help build your authority score. The last thing I wanted to mention was citations. This is your Google business profile, or this is the map pack. This is from everybody's Google business profile. You should have one as well. It's your name, your address, and your phone number. And when you have those 3 things matched in different directories across the web, Google sees that. It's hugely important to be in this map pack, because this is one of the first places that people things that they see when they come to the website or when they do a Google search. So you want to come up in the map pack. So you got to get your name, address, and phone number in Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Angie's List. You name it, those directories, there's hundreds of them. You got to get your name in those, and there are tools to do that as well. The more that you have those out there, Google's going to find you. They're going to say, oh, they're consistent in what they say they are, and we want that across the web. So, take a breath. Once your content, your backlinks, and your citations come together and you start to outgrow your competitors, you might start to see that increase, and you should see that increase in traffic overall. So you want to see branded traffic go away, or not go away, but you want to see it supplemented by these keywords, right? And this is just Santa Barbara. There's many more, and there's other services too. You want to start to add those up. And if you added 100 different visits to your website every month, 10% of those are going to come into be a lead, and at least 2 or 3 are going to turn into a customer. So think about when you get traffic to your website, that's an opportunity for you to get a lead and a customer. And so that what we're trying to do always for our business and for others is to help drive that traffic to the business. And because I know it's impactful, there's great margins in it for you. I'd love to see that happen. So at any rate, if you think this was interesting, please let me know. If you'd want to talk about it further, please let's set up a time. But if not, that's okay too. But I'd just love to get your feedback. And I really hope that this is successful for you, Marie. Thanks so much. And we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.